twist. So cool. Yes, I managed to get it to work. What's up, guys? Steve here again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. I wasn't going to do this video, but I'm just really pumped. I was going to get it more sorted, but I was just really happy that I got it working. Now, this is, if you haven't noticed, the 1/14th scale RC truck, normally brushed motor, converted to, what is it, a nitro-powered 4-stroke single overhead cam Toyan motor. Pumps out, I think, just under 1 horsepower. But check it out. I was just too happy. I wanted to just show you guys before the light went down. There'll be more videos of it obviously soon, but it's just put together quickly. Got a cable tie holding the battery, holding this throttle servo just there, and the brake servo. But check out this little the cab goes down like that. It's got a little prop up here so it doesn't move around too much, but I'm not going to waste too much time. As you can see, quickly got everything sorted. I'll do another video later on when I put the servo in here properly, but we have our throttle and brake servo just here, or the brake that I made up and made everything work actually. As you can see, it rolls really nice. It does have a little fork here for forward and reverse. It didn't have brake, but I retrofitted that. The motor's all in here, and check out all the I managed to put a lot of the plastics that were on the original electric version, managed to leave them on there. I'll use this side so we can see. Got the garage door open, so I've got some nice light in here, but you can see this shelf is on the factory one as well. Made all that fit, even the fuel tanks, all that kind of stuff. I'm even using the battery holder from the original one to hold the LiPo battery to start the if you don't know about these, to start it's got its own little brushless motor. Pretty sweet, isn't it? There we go. Fuel tank, I just filled it up quickly. It has got a screw underneath. I've just put this cable tie to keep everything secure. Little bracket there so it doesn't push its way into the hot exhaust just there. Now I'm just missing the actual muffler or the exhaust tip. I'm trying to see if I can machine a different exhaust for it, but the fuel tank's there. Nice, the exhaust there, and our fuel lines, everything. I'm sorry, I'm just mumbling up my words because I'm pretty excited. But there is our motor, everything situated nicely. What else? Yep. I'm not too sure what else you've seen in the last video. Steering servo is there. Everything is ready to rock and roll. So let's get everything turned on. Get the radio all plugged in. See if I can do this one-handed. Actually, let me put this camera down for a little bit. Okay, I'll just plug it all up. Pretty pumped, actually. And I know a lot of people are asking about this video, so I just wanted to get it out and get it all sorted. So, okay, let me put it on the ground. Get you guys back. Sorry for the rush job video, but I thought it'd be pretty cool. Now I want to hook up this starter. The new systems that I have here is a single button push start. The other one I had to solder it all together, but the new system here from Engine DIY is just a push button. So if I just push this button, yes, that's pretty cool, eh? So let's just get it. This is honestly probably the first or second time I've actually started it and used it. So awesome. Now, interesting to see how this gearbox goes. Ooh, that's way quick for a truck. Awesome. It works. I love it when you put your mind to things and just see if it'll work, and it actually does. See the brakes. Yes, brakes work. Awesome. Oh, cool. Locks them up as well. Yes. Let's try those brakes. Nice. And obviously I've got to put up I'm going to do a gear shift servo. It's going to go here so I can actuate this mechanism, because it does actually have neutral as well. I think it's around about there. See, we've got torque twist. So cool. Let's try to start it again. Oh, this is cool. It's running nice and rich, but that's still got a lot of pep. Oh, glad I didn't put the 2-speed in it. Definitely doesn't need it. Actually, let's try reverse. There we go. Does have reverse. The fuel's running out. There we go. Reverse works as well. You can hear the fuel running out. There we go. There. Oh man, I'm so happy, so pumped that that all works. What do you guys think? Please let me know in the description down below. Sorry, in the comment section down below. I'll leave the links for all the you know, the truck and the motor and stuff for if you're interested. But what do you guys think? I'm pretty pumped. Sorry if the video was a little bit rushed. I just wanted to get it out and show you. I'll do some more work obviously on this servo. That's looking a bit bodge, but you know, it works. Everything works together. And I'm actually quite happy with how quick it goes, and it doesn't bog down too much considering the gear ratio. As you can see, it's pretty much 1-to-1 here, this gears. But yeah, wow, check that out. Next step, the next video I'll get all this sorted out and I'll get a shift servo on here as well. But awesome guys, I hope you really like this video and this series, and if you do, please give it a like and also subscribe, and also share the video. Show a lot of other guys in the hobby how cool we can make it. It's cool as shit in my opinion. It's just, I love electric, and I got away from the nitro scene, but these 4-strokes are pretty sweet, and hope you guys like it too. So thanks guys, see you in the next video.